Most of the folks I get to meet have usually only a couple of feet. I guess that's why it seems to me they jump and dance so easily. With only 1 foot on the left and only 1 foot on the right, no wonder all those bipeds like to dance around all night. Now I don't want to brag, but I've got 8. So when I hit the floor, I should be 4 times as great. But oddly enough, these feet all seem to get into my way. So I made up my own dance. Wanna see it?
Okay.
Gee, I'm sure glad you said yes, Teddy. I've been practicing this all week. It's the octopede shuffle, a simple little step. The octopede shuffle, and it doesn't take much pep. It may not be too elegant, it may not be too hep, but it's the octopede shuffle. It's the octopede shuffle, it's not too complicated. The octopede shuffle, and it's kinda understated. The oddest dance created, and it's uncoordinated, but it's the octopede shuffle. Okie dokie, I know it's kinda hokey, and besides the hokey pokey, it's bland. Now first you jump and jiggle and add a little wiggle. Now you do it all together and it's the octopede shuffle, a slinky little move. The octopede shuffle with a nifty little groove.
Hey, Grubby, have I got it right?
Don't worry, you'll improve, 'cause it's the octopede shuffle. Now watch me. Whoops. See, try to do that. Ouch. Keep stepping on my feet.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Grubby's got a brand new dance that makes you want to celebrate.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You ain't seen nothing yet because I've only just begun.
1, 2, 3, 4. You mean to say there's more?
5, 6, 7, 8. Yep.
That's great. It's the octopede shuffle, a simple little step. The octopede shuffle, and it doesn't take much pep.
It may not be too elegant, it may not be too hep, but it's the octopede shuffle. It's the octopede shuffle, it's not too complicated. The octopede shuffle, and it's kinda understated. The oddest dance created, and it's uncoordinated, but it's the octopede shuffle.
Shuffle along.
As far as dancing goes, it isn't number 1, but you'll be glad to know that at least it's almost done. The octopede shuffle. The octopede shuffle. Just one more. The octopede shuffle. Big finish. Whoops.
Hey, Grubby, that's...
We just dressed up like this so we'd surprise you.
It's fun when your best friends don't recognize you.
Although people might look scary, please don't get up and leave. It's all in fun when we play make-believe. Oh boy, this is gonna be fun. Let's make believe we can be anything we wish. Let's make believe I'll be a bird, I'll be a fish. Let's make believe I'll be you and you be me. When we make believe there isn't anything that we can't be. Anyone can be a ghost, a goblin, grunge, or ghoul. All it takes is some imagination. So let's dress up real funny and go see who we can fool. We will look just like two mud pups on vacation. Let's make believe we can be anything at all. Let's make believe it's the best thing about fall. Let's make believe I'll be you and you be me. When we make believe there isn't anything that we can't be. Yeah? Boo! Yikes!
Whenever Boomer starts to sing, they come from miles around. They love to hear him hit those notes so low and deep and loud.
The crowd goes wild when Boomer croons. He fills them full of glee.
And when they all get down to him, he takes them literally. Boomer, the bass grunge. Boomer, the bass grunge. If you want to know how low you can go, just listen to Boomer, yeah. It's no wonder Boomer's singing causes a sensation. Of all the grunges, he's the one who gives them their foundation.
A deeper voice than Boomer's in all Grundo can be found.
He hits some notes so low, you'll only hear them underground. Boomer, the bass grunge. Boomer, the bass grunge. If you want to know how low you can go, just listen to Boomer, yeah. He can really shake a room when he goes boom, 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 boom.
And he makes them stare in awe when he goes ball, 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 ball.
And he really is a wow when he goes bow, 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 bow. People wonder if they're hearing thunder,
The voice of doom or a cannon's boom.
but of those it's not, just a lowly grunge known to everyone. As Boomer, Boomer the bass grunge. Boomer, Boomer the bass grunge. If you want to know how low you can go, just listen to Boomer, yeah. Ba 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 boom 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 boom, ring a ding a ding dong, tweet tweet, boom 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 boom. Boomer, Boomer the bass grunge. Boomer, Boomer the bass grunge. If you want to know how low you can go, just listen to Boomer, yeah. Ba 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 boom 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 boom, ring a ding a ding dong, tweet tweet, boom 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 boom. Boomer, yeah. Boomer. Syncopation. Syncopation. If you need an explanation for the dancing that you see,
We can give articulation to it very easily.
It begins with percolation of a basic little beat.
And it goes to as I